everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mosby and today is going to be a wig review. This wig that I'm wearing on my head is the Bobbi Boss wig, and it's the Bobbi Boss wig premium synthetic wig. It is the style M97 Riley. Okay, and I don't think you can see it, but I think you can see it. I'll show. And it's colored too. Yes, and obviously they have it in various colors. I really just wanted a wig that I could wear to work, that I could just wear like on a day-to-day basis, and it wasn't like complicated or it doesn't look too luscious or whatever the word is. So I just really wanted a simple wig, and it's not too long, it's curly, it's like straight and curly, whatever you desire. It looks nice, and so I got it. It came in this pack. It came in this. It does have the care instructions at the back of it. It says gently brush the wig thoroughly with the wig comb to remove the tangles. Don't do it. I'll get into that one later, but don't you dare. Use a wig shampoo. Okay. No shade, but the instructions are not what I would do with my hair. I'm not about to wash it. I'm not about to shampoo. I'm not about to deep condition it. I'm not about to blot excess water with a towel. I'm not about to put water in this hair. Like, if it rains, great, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to wash this wig. It's a synthetic wig, and so there's a high possibility that when you actually wash it, and how would you even wash it? You're just gonna dip it in and come out. I'm sorry. No, I'm not washing it. The real length is this, but I'm not planning to put heat on this hair. Well, it does say safe heat styling premium high heat fiber, but well, why would I do that? It's been almost 2 weeks that I've been wearing this hair, and so because of that, I feel like I can give a real review about this hair, because the other reviews that I watched, it was mostly, you know, first out the box, like unboxing type of reaction, and I wanted to put like a more realistic, this is what it looks like after 2 weeks of you wearing the hair. It is pretty tangly at the bottom. The only thing I would say is you can actually still put a comb, like I can still put a comb through the front part of my hair. This is where it stops, by the way. Like, I can still put a comb through this part. So again, this is a straight part, so it looks straight, you see what I'm saying? So you could still put that like a comb through it, but as you get to the bottom, obviously it gets really curly, and so you don't want to, ain't no brush gonna go through this bead. Ain't no brush, child. Ain't no brush, especially when you gotta do this and all that. Like ain't no brush, child. Don't stress it. But again, it's synthetic, so like, what did you expect? I don't know. And so there are ways for you to wear it. I'm gonna take this out so you guys can actually see the details of the wig. Yes, child, yes. Okay. I need to get a new wig cap, by the way. But anyways, okay, so the hair comes in this. There's actually just that. It's a L shaped type closure that they have on it, and this is really just the only room that you have. I did have to pluck some hairs here and there out of it. Shout out to Mercy that helped me out too. But like, yeah, so we did have to pluck some hairs out of the closure just to make it look even more realistic. But I don't think it was that deep. It does come with 2 combs. One comb here and another comb there, and obviously the typical at the back. This is my problem area right there. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just hella tangled. I try like every morning to just untangle it somehow. But again, this is not a hair I put, like, I don't put my fingers through my care. Aww. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you're too young. Okay, but as far as shedding, this hair has minimal shedding. I'm not concerned about the shedding, honestly. I will say though, it's pretty snug. Like, it feels really snug on the head. So if you have just a little bit bigger head than me, and I consider my head big, then you might struggle with this wig. This is all the hair. This is all the hair. This is all of it. This is all of it. But of course, if you wear it down, and I'm going to try to turn so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is all of the hair backwards. If you have any questions about this wig, please leave it down below. Also, if you actually want to see a one month review on this wig, or like 3 weeks to 1 month review on this wig, then you can leave that down below as well, and I would love to make it, because I feel like a lot of the times we don't have realistic reviews on wigs, and especially synthetic wigs or even wigs in general. It's usually just unboxing, and obviously it looks great when you first unbox it, but realistically it doesn't stay like that. It's synthetic. It's gonna tangle like any other hair tangles if you don't comb it, So that is all that I have for you. This wig was fairly cheap. Honestly speaking, it wasn't expensive. I believe it cost me like $20 something to get this, and $20 something for 1 month is not a bad idea for me. This is how I think. This is how I process finances in my head. $20 something for 30 days. I can do that. I'll do it again. Oh, it does say safe heat styling, premium high heat fiber, but well, why would I do that? Okay, how dare you? First of all, don't you ever do it again, okay? Because I only got 2 more seconds before I gotta get to work. Just rude.